Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and for this one I'm super excited to share. I've been wanting to do it for quite some time. I remember seeing a video on YouTube a little while ago, but I never got around to doing it, so here it is. For this I'm using two really not important, but superfoods I guess, really popular across India and Southeast Asia. They are fenugreek powder and amla powder. They've been used for years and years in a lot of hair routines and in hair products, so it's nothing new, but it's something that I've been wanting to try, and I've incorporated fenugreek in a few of my products, but nothing too crazy. I'm using a quarter cup of amla and fenugreek powder. To that I'm adding a quarter cup of coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. All oils have their own benefits and properties that I've spoken about in the past, so they're amazing and they're really good for my hair. I'm also using about most of the jar of coconut milk. You can use milk or cream. In another video the person used, I think it was yogurt, but vegan, so I don't use yogurt, but coconut milk is really great. Again, it's really good for hair protein and strengthening, but if you are protein sensitive you might need to alter this. I'm also adding a bit of peppermint essential oil to stimulate hair growth as well. Then all you need to do is blend it up. I checked for the consistency. I didn't really like it. It was a little bit too thick, so to that you just add a little bit more liquid, so a little bit more coconut milk, and I blend it again. No specific time, just blend it until it's smooth. So both amla and fenugreek powder and combined with the oils have their own great preservative to them, their natural preservative, but if you wanted to extend the shelf life or fridge life, you can always add something like vitamin E oil, but for this I don't really need to add preservatives to my products since I make them quite frequently. I got away with using this particular product for about 2 weeks in the fridge. I only used it about twice in the 2 weeks because I didn't need to use it too much, and then I put it in the fridge overnight just to see what would happen. I wanted the product to be much more smoother and much more consistent as well. And that's exactly what I got from placing it overnight in the fridge. So because my hair was quite clarified from my previous shampoo and condition and my wash, all I needed to do was really rinse my hair with apple cider vinegar, which is what I try and do frequently. But y'all, you need to be careful with your eyes. I've done this so many times and it is painful. So of course, after you finish burning your eyes and dropping your conditioner, my daily life, you want to detangle with a good conditioner. So I was using the Sheer Moisture Restorative Conditioner, which I got from SM Cosmetics in Footscray, and I just detangle with this and I twist my hair so make sure that they're all in good size sections, so that I can apply the product. And then you want to milli rock it out. Yes. Okay. Now, this is the next day and I just checked the consistency, and as you can see the product is so smooth and so velvety and so textured beautifully. Like the amount of it and the consistency to it was perfect. I don't like my products too watery or thin because I actually want them to coat my hair without making a mess, but heads up, this does make so much of a mess. Anyway, I just go through my hair in sections, going from my roots, but not on my actual scalp because I don't like applying these DIY products to my scalp. Sometimes they build up, especially with clay masks. And as you can see, the texture in both my hair versus the dry versus the product in it, it moisturizes so well. And I just continue to do this with my whole hair from the top to the bottom, and I make sure that my hair is nice and wet beforehand. So you don't want your hair damp, you want it wet so that the product actually seeps into the cuticle. So my scalp was a little bit itchy after I did apply this, so I thought maybe I might go through it with a good apple cider vinegar rinse again, just to make sure that there was nothing built up on my scalp, and this did make a difference. I still did have a little bit of an itch afterwards, but that's just something to keep in mind for next time. And now I'm going in with my DIY deep conditioner, which consists of avocado, banana, a vegan yogurt, and olive oil. Super simple, super quick, and this was a really good way to replenish the moisture that I did lose or was stripped away from the mask beforehand. You probably don't need to do a DIY deep conditioner, but for this, in this instance, I wanted to see what my hair was like using natural based products. So as a result of both DIY products, my hair was super nourished and moisturized, and because of that, very defined as well. My hair lasted for about 2 weeks with the lock method in between. So if you do have any questions, concerns, or queries, please do comment below and I'll be sure to help you out. Thanks guys!